So welcome to Mr. mronkoshorts. Today we will learn to separate this given expression, this algebraic expression, using partial fraction methods. So first of all, we will observe the denominator and the factors given. That is a square inside x squared plus 4, and that is x minus 3. That is of the form ax squared plus b, one of them, and the other one is ax plus or minus b. Both the patterns are given here. So now we will take ax plus b pattern divided by x squared plus 4 plus of c divided by x minus 3. This is the rule where x squared plus something is given, then ax plus b should be there, and if linear is there, then c only constant divided by that part will be there. So now if we take LCM, we will get ax plus b into x minus 3 plus of c into x squared plus 4 divided by the LCM will provide x squared plus 4 into x minus 3. Now here, if we compare this numerator with this numerator, we will get 1 equals to ax plus b into x minus 3 plus of c into x squared plus 4. Now if we put x equals to 3 here, we will get 1 equals to c into x squared plus 4. If x equals to 3, that is 1 equals to c into 9 plus 4, that is 13. So we got c equals to 1 by 13. And from here, if we put x equals to 0, we will get b into minus 3 plus of 1/3 into 1 plus, it's 0, so 0 plus 4. That is 1 equals to minus b plus 4 by 13. So 3b is equals to 4 by 13 minus 1, that is minus 9. So b will be equals to minus 3 by 13. Now put the values of a and b here, and we will get the value of b and c here, and we will get the value of a. So if we put x equals to 1 is equals to a into 1 plus b, that is here minus 3 by 13 into x equals to 1 here, so it is minus 3, it will be minus 2 plus of 1 by 13 into 5. So minus 5 by 13 is equals to minus 2 into a minus 3 by 13. Now it implies that minus will be omitted, then it's 5 by 13 is equals to twice of 13a minus 3 by 13, that will be omitted from here. So now it's 5 is equals to, so 5 by 2 is equals to 13a minus 3, it will be plus 3 here. So 3 to the 6, 6 plus 5, 11 by 2 is equals to 13a. So a is equals to 11 by 26. So a, b and c is derived here. Now we will concentrate over the values and we will put it here, and we will get the partial fraction expression, that is ax plus b. So it will be, so the expression will be 11 by 26 into x plus b, that is minus, I think it's minus 3 by 13 divided by x square plus 4 plus of c is I think 1 by 13 divided by x minus 3. So this is the required partial fraction pattern from the given question, that is 1 by x square plus 4 into x minus 3. So thus it can be solved. This is the actual method of partial fraction. Observe it carefully, apply these tricks, and if you have any queries, then obviously ask in comment box, and we will further upload some videos over the topics. Wait for the further upload. Mr. Shorts is always for you. Subscribe Mr. Shorts, share to your math lover friends, and that's it for today. Thank you.